We are close to the start of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season, and it is expected to be an active one. Governor Ron DeSantis was in Jupiter this morning to talk about this year's season.
And our Nikita Ramos was there live now. Nikita, what is the governor doing to help prepare right now?
Well, preparedness is the overarching message here today. This comes as we're just days from the start of hurricane season, and this comes on the heels of Governor Ron DeSantis making calls to have an overhaul of FEMA. Now, today he underlines the importance of planning for potential impacts this year after a busy and destructive last season. Right now, there are still outstanding FEMA reimbursements after Milton, and it's a reason why DeSantis says Florida must prepare regardless of the federal response.
We assume we're not going to get support from FEMA on all those things, and sure enough, that's how we've rolled. And so power restoration, the immediate distribution of supplies and meals, when we had to do the gas stations, we did that. All these different things is really being done by both the state of Florida and your local emergency management.
Keep your electric vehicles and your gas tanks halfway full. When it gets to the halfway mark, that is the new empty. Go ahead and fill it back up. We saw much less of a run on gas stations in last year's hurricane season when we started the halfway full, halfway there campaign than the previous season with Hurricane Ian.
And that's Florida Division of Emergency Management Director Kevin Guthrie doubling down on hurricane preparedness at every angle. Now, all of this starts this weekend. We're talking about Sunday, June 1st, and our team here at WPBF 25 News will be here with you to keep you informed and prepared. We're in Jupiter. Nikita Ramos, WPBF 25 News.